So it's been some guy's dream to see my uvula while I burp. It's great. Yeah, so here I go. I don't know if that disgusted you more than me. And I like burping. Oh, dear God. So that's all I mainly have. But I'm just gonna stay on here for a few minutes and just burp. Yeah. So like, yeah, I need like a life. That's what I need. I'm venting to you guys. I hate my family. I truly do. God, they suck. I really hope they don't see this. Well, not all my family, like, one or two I hate. Well, I'm like 1 out of 7 kids. I only hate, like, one of them. Not telling you who, but if you're in the family, you know, automatically. I'm venting to you guys, it's so weird. Oh, I think I have really good cheekbones when I do that. Sorry. No, I haven't been drinking. Only soda. That's what I drink tonight. I don't always drink soda. I just drink it the most. I like drinking healthy. Like Oh, sorry, I was reading something on Facebook. I'm so sorry. Yes, I do have a Facebook because I somewhat have a life. Yeah. Sorry. Now I'm reading a Fios commercial. I'm sorry. I am, like, this is gonna be my worst video ever. Fios! So, like, yeah, just submit things, like, that you want me to do. Like, I already have, like, oh, burp the word burp. Heard that one before. Burp a song. I did that before. I did that, like, twice, I think. I just want you guys to really subscribe and do your part to share this. Like, if you work in an office or you go to school, just be like, go to da-da-da and see an amazing burping. Oh, like it. That's more important. I don't really care about the views. I really like liking. Except the ones I have, like, 4 views and, like, 1 like. That's really depressing. I'm sorry. Really, I'm just tired. Oh, it stopped. Oh, it's gonna kill me. Like, you know that time when you burp and, like, you have extra gas and it just feels bad gas? Like, you're gonna, like, ugh, it out later. There's my ick-ing out later. Oh, funny. So it's like 11:40 at night, and I have nothing better to do because my friend's, like, not ignoring me right now. Oh, I'm gonna like your status. I'm sorry. Oh, I do have a Facebook. If you want to add me on there, please don't. But if you do, like, if you have that sick obsession, just ask for my name, and then I'll be like, yeah. There we go. Oh, I have nice teeth. Oh, you want to see something really funny? This made me hysterical laugh before. Wait on. Like, this isn't like, oh, burping time. This is like, I'm bored and you guys are watching time. It's a fat guy dancing. Oh, how funny is that? I think it's like the best thing ever. Fat guy dancing. Haha, he's gone. Yeah, I have no life. Yeah, sorry, I'm kind of getting, like, a cold. Because it's, like, winter. And I've been up since, like, 2 in the morning every night. And waking up at 6 a.m. for school. I know, I have to wake up at 6 a.m. for school. Kill me. That... Ooh la la magic touch. I'm sorry. Hello, You know what I really hate when it just pisses me the fuck. Fudge. I said fudge. I stopped myself. It pisses me the fudge off. When, oh crap. Oh my god! Oh, that's not a bad word. It pisses... It does... I don't know if pisses me off is bad on Facebook. Is it? Somebody needs to like inform me of the bad words because I don't read I agree stuff. As you can tell, I don't. I have a little bit of a potty mouth. And it's not helping me. Oh, that's great. Somebody like my status, rate 10. I think you're geeky, my pal. I would hug you. You should text me, chat me, hang out with me. Like, make this your status. Okay, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna make this my status. Yeah. Woo! She has a boyfriend. It's okay. It's okay. I don't like her that way. I really don't. Trust me. Once you get to know me. Alright, so I'm gonna end this video soon. I'm just gonna end up with a burp in a second. Goodbye.